We will learn about the average formula in Excel. The average formula is used to quickly find mean value of a group of numbers instead of adding everything manually and dividing by the count. Excel does it for you in just one step. We will apply this formula to calculate the average marks of students in English, Maths and Science. And here is the exciting part. At the end, I will share a pro tip to get the same results without even using the average formula. So make sure to watch till end. Let's get started. Here we have a table of students with their marks in English, Maths and Science. To calculate the average of the first student, click on the cell under the average column and type equals average, start parenthesis, the first cell reference and the last cell reference, close parenthesis, then press enter. Now simply drag the formula down to calculate the average for all students in the list. And here comes the pro tip. Instead of using average formula, you can use this method. Select the data and then type 1 by 1 alt plus h plus u plus a. So now you know both the standard and a smart shortcut to calculate the average. Try them out.